Full-on political attacks are taking place with right now Uddhav Sena, leader, saying that Modi's Mahakumbh Snan was basically for votes. Democracy is in danger in India. Uddhav Sena is claiming that a full-on stunt happening at the Mahakumbh, specifically with Prime Minister taking a Snan. Sena UBT Sanjay Raut says Kejriwal has delivered. He is the one who must get votes based on his work in Delhi.
मोदी जी को लगता है 5 तारीख को वो कुंभ में जाकर पूरा दिन डुबकी लगा रहे, क्योंकि वो डुबकी लगाते हुए दिल्ली की जनता ने देखे और उस आधार पर उनको वोट मिलना चाहिए कि मोदी जी डुबकी लगा रहे। मोदी जी कुंभ में जाकर स्नान कर रहे, ये उनका सबसे बड़ा काम है कि मैं स्नान कर रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं। लोग ये देखकर अगर वोट करते हैं तो इस देश का लोकतंत्र खतरे में है, इस देश की एक विचारधारा है वो खतरे में है।
Right, so that's presently what the UBT Sena has said. Sanjay Raut saying all the snan were done by the Prime Minister was a stunt, was full-on photo opportunity, and it was for the votes. However, for example, for Kejriwal, he's the one who's done work and should be getting votes based on the work that he has done in the past 10 years. So UBT in many ways coming in support of Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party has, remember, support from the Samajwadi Party specifically that has come in and also campaigned for the AAP leaders and candidates. The BJP, on the other hand, has support from NDA ally Chandrababu Naidu, TDP's leader and CM of Andhra Pradesh. So both sides are trying their best to be able to get their support from different parties. UBT Sena here charging at Prime Minister Modi, supporting Arvind Kejriwal.
मोदी जी को लगता है 5 तारीख को वो कुंभ में जाकर पूरा दिन डुबकी लगा रहे, क्योंकि वो डुबकी लगाते हुए दिल्ली की जनता ने देखे और उस आधार पर उनको वोट मिलना चाहिए कि मोदी जी डुबकी लगा रहे। मोदी जी कुंभ में जाकर स्नान कर रहे, ये उनका सबसे बड़ा काम है कि मैं स्नान कर रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं। लोग ये देखकर अगर वोट करते हैं तो इस देश का लोकतंत्र खतरे में है, इस देश की एक विचारधारा है वो खतरे में है।
Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest on this. Piyush, why is the UBT Sena leaders charging at Prime Minister Modi's day for the Snan or for the holy dip at the Kumbh?
Well, we are now seeing here that how the politics is taking place. Shiv Sena, UBT faction leader Sanjay Raut is now saying that on the day when voting is scheduled to take place in Delhi, Modi ji is visiting Kumbh to take a holy dip. Sanjay Raut has gone on to add that Prime Minister thinks that the people of Delhi will vote for him on this basis. If people vote on this basis, democracy is in danger in this country. Sanjay Raut is also saying that Arvind Kejriwal should get votes based on the work he has done. So we're now seeing how the politics is taking place. Earlier, along with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, there are other senior leaders like Amit Shah, Vice President Jagdish Dhankhar, and various others have visited Kumbh. But on the visit of Team Narendra Modi, which is scheduled to take place on 5th of February, we are now seeing how politics is taking place on the entire matter. We'll have to wait and watch, Pooja, how the BJP is going to react on this big charge coming in from Shiv Sena UP leader Sanjay Raut.
Mr. Modi also decides to go on that day. What exactly will be decided on that? Thank you very much for now. Piyush will be telling us about what the political showdown will be on 5th February.